and I can attribute any hashtag I want here. Okay, there's multiple ways to create hashtags. Way number one would be to open up the contacts, scroll to hashtags, and you can classify John Doe maybe as a friend. Okay, so you could type that in, click, oh, and then once it pops up down there, now the hashtag is attributed to John Doe. So let's say I attribute myself the friend hashtag on here too. So now the friend hashtag is also attributed to this contact, who is myself. And I can actually perform searches under the filters section. I could go to contact details, and under the hashtag section, you can just type that hashtag we just created and then apply, and it will show everyone who has that hashtag, attached to them. So I have a bunch of people here who are my friends, and they will pop up under that hashtag. This is very powerful because if you're trying to send out, marketing content to a specific niche of people, could be maybe first-time home buyers, you could do hashtag first-time home buyer, hashtag veterans, hashtag, you know, scholars, whatever, the sky's the limit. You can group different contacts and, different sections and interact with them in different ways. So that's what hashtags are.